I love that the high school is offering this program for kids to get an idea of whether or not they want to pursue a career in education. So it kind of gives them that sneak peek of what it's really like and gives them a chance to work with the kids, and that's pretty special for everybody.
This class is Introduction to Education. It's a part of the Human Services Academy. It's the introductory course to my whole education and training program. The students in this class, hence the name of the class, are introduced to what we do throughout my whole program. We learn all sorts of different things that go along with education and becoming a teacher. This class is usually consistent of freshmen and sophomores who are interested in going into the field of education.
So I really wanted to take Intro to Education just to kind of learn more about the education field part of things, and I really wanted to get the opportunity to come to the North Elementary School to just learn how to deal with a lot of kids and stuff, and just really see if I would really enjoy teaching in my future.
Miss Hilton, she has taught me that being a good teacher is giving attention to the kids, and that you're teaching for the kids and not for yourself. And that's why I want to go into teaching, because I want to help kids get to where they want to be when they're older.
I want my high school students to gain hands-on experience and a love for education. Most of them who take my classes already have that love kind of built into their minds already. That's why they chose to take these classes. But I just want them to have all the experiences they possibly can throughout all of my classes. If students take every single one of my classes, they will have gone to every building in the district by the time they graduate. I just want them to have those experiences so when they go on to college, they have more of an idea of what grade level and what age group that they prefer to be with.
They think the boys are rock stars. They get super excited on Wednesdays when they come, and they're sad when they're not here. They love to, hear their stories. They share some stories sometimes, but really their time here is spent working with them.
Although it's just an introduction class, these freshmen and sophomore students have pretty defined roles in the classroom and come in really well prepared. So they are very much a part of our North family and play purposeful roles in collaboration, in being teachable, and many of our other Portrait of a Graduate traits. Another huge benefit of this program is how it connects our buildings. So I often hear about sporting events, extracurriculars, plays, musicals, you name it. This really connects our elementary to our high school students, and so those relationships run really deep, and we're really proud of the way that it has connected our buildings and allowed the school spirit to be evident in our elementaries.
And the little kids, I'm gonna say 100% of the time, love when the high school students step into their classrooms. They really look up to them. They're such great role models. And it's just a wonderful partnership, and I'm so happy that we're able to do it.